everyone, today I and my sister have amazing food to show you guys. Here is our food, everyone. We have crab, everyone. So big crab and a lot of crab, everyone. This crab we caught it from field, everyone. So today I and my sister will show you guys about how to cook this crab be yummy, everyone. So now enjoy to watch our video. This one we call countryside food, everyone. A lot of children. Everyone, this is the children of crab, everyone. Can you see? A lot of children of crab. So these children we cannot eat. So we put it in this water, everyone, to make it have life anymore. So now we start to make ingredients. First we add crispy, everyone. Soup salt. Add some cheese. Add sugar. Oyster sauce. Add 1 egg. And then mix it. Make it to be wet. Add little water. And then make our ingredient with our crab. Make it together like this. Add oil. Now we start to make sauce for it with our crab. First we add garlic and also chili. Hit it. Add sugar. Add some cheese. Add our fish sauce. And then for the last, we add lemon. Yummy! It's really yummy and crispy too. Wow, oh my god. The best, everyone. So now we think it is time to say goodbye. Let us say goodbye. Thank you for watching our video. Goodbye.